friends! Today we're diving into the personal life of Sila Turkoglu, an actress who, despite her popularity, tries to keep her private life under wraps. But, as it often happens with celebrities, the attention never fades, and every step she takes becomes a topic of discussion for fans and journalists. Sila is not married, and her personal relationships are always the subject of constant attention. Whenever she appears in public with a handsome companion, it immediately sparks rumors and speculations. For example, after filming with Halil Ibrahim Ceyhan in the series The Trusted, fans started to believe that their on-screen romance had spilled into real life. However, both actors denied these rumors, stating that they are only professionally connected and share a friendly bond. A similar situation occurred with her co-star from Cranberry Sherbet, Doğukan Güngör. When viewers started to ask questions about a possible romance between them, Sila responded live saying, "Like two friends. People usually think we're lovers. No, we're not lovers." Doğukan confirmed her words, stating that their relationship is purely platonic. However, there were also real relationships that caught the media's attention. In 2023, news emerged about a brief relationship between Sila and actor Alp Navruz. The couple spent some time together in Bodrum, which became a hot topic on social media after shared photos appeared. But by the end of the year, Alp deleted all photos of Sila from his accounts and officially confirmed that their romance had ended. Rumors suggest that the actors staged the love story to stir up interest in a new series featuring Navruz. Sila Turkoglu's personal life continues to be under the public's watchful eye, but the actress prefers to keep her romantic affairs behind closed doors. Perhaps this is the secret to how she manages to balance her personal life with a successful career, staying in the spotlight while maintaining boundaries. Thank you for joining us in this episode. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments, and see you next time to discuss more interesting topics and stories from the lives of stars.